Bro.
Yan, alright, so idol. Dito naman tayo sa init ng desierto. Ayan, no? Hospital yan. Lawak nito. Tapon na ng tubig. Bakante
Make
yan.
video?
I-upload YouTube.
YouTuber?
Ay, wah. 15 million subscriber. Ano, dito kami sa last pinakadulo ng housing, yung gate kasi may check kami kaso supply walang susi. Ito yung housing ng hospital, malawak yan. 22 building housing 21 building. Ayun, punta tayo sa hospital. Check-in sana namin dito kaso walang master key, sarado. Bukas na lang, balikan namin bukas. Yan, makita nyo yung arms barrier, may tawag yan. Hindi arms barrier yan, barrier lang, barrier. Ano, ako naglagay ng tubig yan. Yun ang hospital. Alright, punta tayo ngayon sa hospital. Iharap ko muna yung camera kasi dadaan kami sa security. Yun. Puntang housing. Malawak to. Pag may bike ka dito, practice. Exercise. Solve ko dito. Mga lakad lang araw-araw dito. Solve ko sa lakad eh. Oh, second shift today. B-shift.
Second shift?
Mutasim?
Yes.
Mutasim, ha?
Someday driving.
Tomorrow again. Together go there.
Someday driving. Slowly.
This one Safari bus, ha?
Yes, maybe. Yeah, this one Safari bus.
Safari people in the house.
What gear, yeah? Why?
Last time mixing your gas. Then the
Speed 20 up to third gear accepted. Speed 20 down,
so you brake so much heavy.
not experience.
Ah,
Not experience.
if you driving in a car, this one
Yes,
same. This
yes.
one same also.
But I am driving very long time. Same. I think driving. I am Jisan. You know Jisan?
Jisan.
Yes, Jisan engineer.
Engineer Jisan.
Yes.
Ah,
Not proper driving.
but engineer Jisan now go driving.
Many time try. So
And it also tomorrow check this one, ha?
okay.
All van. Parking here.
Yes. Don't worry.
Punta kami sa basement. Basement ng Hospital King Abdullah. Specialist National Guard Kasim. Yo idol, alright, upload natin to mamaya. Bye bye.